What's going on, Crypto Yang gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang with the China Petro update or PetroChina.company update. So, it's been a few days now since they claim to have processed their withdrawal, or my withdrawal, for $29. I still have a pending withdrawal of 400 Ethereum, which I made before this withdrawal here. This one supposedly processed, and I still don't have it. Going into my withdrawal history, you can see this request was made on the 31st and it's still pending because I can cancel it. This one was made on the February 1st and it's supposedly processed, but I don't have it. I still haven't gotten either one of these. So I sent them an email and we're gonna see what they say, if they even say anything, okay? Still don't know what's going on with this website. I think that this was a scam from the start. It's only been 9 days and I made my first withdrawal when it was on day 6. So, not good news. I hate that I even made an investment so far. Hopefully it'll make a difference here that I sent an email, and if not, then it is what it is. We'll move on to the next one. If you haven't watched my Elder Hash video yet, I would suggest that you check that out. Elder Hash is a brand new website that just came out yesterday. As you can see, I've already made a withdrawal on this website, and we're gonna see if they're paying out. I have a video with a link in the description for Elder Hash so that you can follow my Elder Hash experience. And remember, I'm not a financial consultant or advisor. I'm simply giving you my personal opinion on these websites and on these investments. Choose your investments wisely. Don't risk any money that you're not willing to lose on these websites. If you want something that might be a little bit more, a little safer, then you may want to go into ICOs, and I have plenty of links on ICOs on all of my videos as well, so check those out. And we will be doing a couple of updates tonight, and I have a surprise for all of my 108 subscribers. I almost wanted to go ahead and do my Ethereum giveaway on this video, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you don't know what I mean by hit the notification bell, there is a notification bell, literally a bell, that's right next to where you click the subscribe button. And once you click it, it'll give you an update every time I put a video out. Somewhere in the at a random time in a video tonight, I will be doing an Ethereum giveaway, and I will announce it, and that's the video you'll want to comment your Ethereum address on. So definitely stay tuned, watch the videos all the way through, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let people know that an Ethereum giveaway is coming soon. So I appreciate everyone's support. Y'all have been great. Subscribers grew to 108 in 1 week. I'm speechless. But Crypto Yang gang, appreciate the support. Crypto Yang signing out.